feeling, right? That horrible, stomach-dropping crunch when your phone hits the pavement. But what do you do when the nearest expert repair shop is hundreds of kilometers away? Well, today we're going to break down how you can get your phone fixed by the pros no matter where you live in Australia. Let's get into it. So picture this. Your screen is just a spider web of cracks, your battery life is a joke, and you are definitely not anywhere near Sydney. It is so easy to feel like you're just out of luck, you know? Like all the top-tier repair services are luxury just for people in the big cities. But what if I told you that's not the case at all? This right here, it's a huge issue for so many people. It's called the geographic repair dilemma, which is really just a fancy way of saying it's a massive headache when you're cut off from a simple fix just because of your postcode. And man, is that frustrating. I mean, being disconnected because of a broken phone is bad enough, but that feeling of being totally isolated from a real solution, that adds a whole other layer of stress. So many of us just assume that to get a quality job done, you have to physically be there, close to the shop. Okay, but here's the absolute game changer. What if location just didn't matter? What if you could tap into the skills of Sydney's best technicians and have them fix your phone no matter where you are in Australia? All right, let's pull back the curtain and see how this nationwide repair solution actually works. It's a system designed to completely erase the distance between your broken device and the expert hands that can bring it back to life. Honestly, it boils down to this super simple 4-step process. First, you hop online and book your repair. Next, a custom shipping kit shows up right at your doorstep. Then you just pack your device up nice and secure, and finally you ship it off with the prepaid and fully insured label. It is literally that easy. And the best part is that the whole thing starts with complete transparency. Right from the get-go, you go online, punch in your phone model and what's wrong with it, and boom, you get an instant quote. There are no hidden V's, no nasty surprises. What you see is exactly what you pay. Okay, let's tackle the part that probably makes most people a little nervous, putting your valuable phone in the mail. I get it. So let's walk through exactly how this process is designed to give you total security and peace of mind. Yeah, you can forget about digging around for an old box and some bubble wrap. You get a custom-made shipping kit with protective packaging designed for fragile electronics. It comes with a prepaid label, the entire journey is fully insured, and you can track your phone every single step of the way. They've really thought of everything. So, your device has arrived safely. What happens next? Well, now for the really cool part. Let's go behind the scenes for a glimpse inside the expert repair lab in Sydney. This lab gets devices sent in from every corner of Australia, and sometimes even from overseas. For instance, take a look at this. It's an ASUS ROG PHONE 5S Pro. This is a seriously complex high-end gaming phone that was sent in for a screen replacement. That alone tells you everything you need to know about the level of trust and expertise we're talking about. And listen to this. It's a direct quote from the technician who worked on that exact phone. It's a powerful warning. Modern smartphones are not something you should just try to pry open on the kitchen table. And this is exactly why you need an expert. Just look at what's going on inside these things. You've got main boards layered like a sandwich, special thermal paste like in a high-end PC, and what technicians perfectly describe as acrobatics with flex cables. One tiny mistake, one little slip, and the phone could be toast. Now for a really important one, privacy. You absolutely 100% do not need to share your passcode. The technicians can fully test the new screen, the cameras, and all the buttons they need to right from the lock screen. Your personal data stays completely private and secure. So, the expert work is done. The phone has been meticulously repaired, it's passed all the quality control tests, and now for the best part, its journey back home to you. This timeline gives you a really clear picture of how quick the whole thing is. Day 1, you ship it out. By day 3, it's arrived and being diagnosed. Day 4 is further repair and testing. By day 5, it's already on its way back to you. And typically, by day 7, your phone is right back in your hands. It's a super efficient process designed to get you reconnected, fast. And then you get that amazing unboxing moment, peeling the protective film off a perfect, glossy new screen. It is so satisfying. It honestly feels like you're holding a brand new phone. All that stress you felt when it broke, it just melts away. And the service doesn't just stop when the box arrives. Your repaired device is backed by a full warranty on all the parts and the work done. Plus, you get access to customer support, so if you have any questions down the line, they've still got your back.
So there you have it. Distance is no longer a barrier to getting your phone fixed by a real expert. Your device is repaired, it's back with you, and you're ready to get on with your life. The only real question left is, are you ready to reconnect?
So you had a phone disaster? Yeah, I came in with a broken camera, totally useless. But David at Sydney CBD Repair Centre was great. Within a day, the part was...
So phone disaster?
Came in with a brick camera. David fixed it in a day. Good as new. Highly recommend.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
My Motorola Edge 50 screen was smashed. David here ordered the part and fixed it next day in 1 hour.
Our daily superhero, Mr. Repairman, David, is here. Call 8011-4119 now.
Wang, tell us about your recent phone repair.
David was super professional. He fixed my Galaxy Z Flip 4 in an hour. I literally walked in broken and walked out perfectly fixed.
Yeah, highly recommend.
If you have mobile phones issue, you can walk in. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 p.m.